11th of April 2020 in the hot zone, Alberta, Canada, Airdrie. Just south of us 5 minutes is the hot zone of all of Alberta, Calgary. But right here in Airdrie, Thankyou Mayor Brown, we have signs that say that dog walkers should not be fined $500,000 under the Public Health Act just for bringing their dog out. There's not a single person in this park. It's Shabbat, walking the dogs. It's a great activity. Out here getting some air. Right, Lexi? Right, Lindsay? Right, Keaton? But thank you, Mayor Brown, for exercising some semblance of kindness. You know, it's an antidepressant to walk your dog, to the coronavirus psychosis, being locked up for 24 hours a day. And we brought some signs down. It's up to us to socially distance. Thank you, Mayor Brown. Airdrie Kingsway Dog Park. Off-leash dogs. The property provided by Her Majesty, City of Airdrie. Give you a view here. The stormwater lake is preparing for the Canada geese. That way, Calgary, Alberta. That way, Edmonton, Alberta. It's about 7:30. Thank you. Coronavirus audit, Airdrie, Alberta, Canada.